Okay, we're here in Newport Beach, and here's the deal. Tomorrow is Sunday, November whatever it is, 2009, and Brad and I are going to rent surfboards from that place back there. We'll go in there and we're going to rent surfboards and probably wetsuits because the ocean is kind of cold, and we're going to surf tomorrow. And Sharon's going to record it, and we'll see how it goes. So there you go.
So it begins.
Yeah, that's right. All right.
I just want to say that although we did not surf in the exact sense of the word, we did catch a wave on our bellies and on our knees, and it was pretty great, you know. And the sun is setting here at Huntington. Where are we at? Newport Beach, California, and only the diehard surfers are left out there.